Hey YouTuber Gamer fans, it's me, Kevin Gamer, and today I am playing Cat Mario, but it's Christmas. Usually this time, it was usually called Side-1 Action the whole time. So let's do all the levels, and let's get started. Let's go! Alright, oh look at this, it's Cat Mario Santa. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, look at these boos. They're angry, and they have a Christmas hat. That's amazing. Let's see. Oh, all these question marks are usually presents. That's awesome. Oh, because you open the coins. That's cool. Wait, there's gonna be like one. Wait, is this also new? The enemy here? Oh, it's the Grinch! Did you guys see that? Oh, no wait. I think you have to repeat that. It was the Grinch. All right, how's the mushroom though? Oh, it's a candy cane. That's amazing. Ready? Watch. See, it was the Grinch. It was the Grinch. Oh, look at this Koopa. He has a snowing hat. Let's go. Boom. Ooh, that was a close one. So don't fall there. Oh man, the background there is so awesome. Wait, I haven't checked the death yet. Wait, is the cloud death new? I kind of want to see what happens. What is the new thing for the cloud death? Let's see. Oh, it's Jack Skellington. Oh, his death. It pops out and then his belly button comes out there. Oh, that's kind of funny. But I love this Christmas. Aw, that's so nice. Oh, I love it. Okay, so these are, yep. Whew, that was a close one. Oh, I thought the laser beam is like a red laser beam for Christmas. Let's see. No! Alright, there we go.
Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas.
Oh, that's awesome. It was Santa. Oh, there's a teddy bear with a hat up there. Okay. Oh, what's this? Huh? Just stage 1. We just added something special. Take good care. You might want to use some items from Kichu. Oh, it's that little talking box thing. Oh, what happened? Game? Are you okay? What happened? They froze or something? I don't know. Alright, well, something weird just happened. Just don't know. Oh! Okay. Oh, big fat Santa! Ah, that's very weird. It's so weird. Alright, I want to see how does it look like. Is it just like big or something? See? Oh, it becomes big! Oh, this other boo is a reindeer. Oh, that's awesome. Is that big cat? Oh, this big cat has a lollipop and a Santa hat. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, you could bounce on their head. Okay. Checkpoint. Let's see. I was trying to see if I could like reach that far. Not pot. I was sure. -2. Jump! Alright. Go! Boom! Chakalaka boom! Oh! There's lava. I forgot. Alright, so now that we got there, gotta be careful. Oh! I don't want to go there. That's dead. Oh yes, that was good. Alright guys, so we might be able to go here. Yes. Okay. Alright. Oh, I remember this. Okay, so you have to like be careful. Yeah. Oh no! Ah! No, I forgot! I literally forgot. Okay, let's do this again. Next level. Alright. Let's see how does the fire fall. Oh, it's a fire fireworks stocking. That's awesome. Come on, come on. That design looks awesome. Alright, let's see. Oh, the Star Bros are snowflakes. Oh, that's awesome for the holidays. But that looks, the design looks pretty good. Oh, I like that. Okay, so there's one there. Alright. Jump! Jump! Yeah, wait, oh, it's a snow globe! Oh, that's awesome! Oh, that's awesome. I like that design. Snow globe in it. Oh, that's amazing! Alright, we're back at the start, but I literally forgot to hit it. Alright. Let's see if I can. Oh! Okay. Okay. Jump! Jump! Oh, okay. Oh! I pressed the wrong button for an accident. Sorry about that cough. Oh, look at that! It's weird. Oh, they're out skating. Oh, they're a snowman. Oh, that's awesome. Alright, so are these the ones that they jump? Oh, okay, so those reindeer ones jump. Let's see. Jump! Get over this. Oh, look at that superhero man. The superhero Boo is now new. He has a cool looking Christmas suit. Oh, his cape is also white. That's awesome. Alright, be careful. Yes! Yes! On to the 4th level. Alright, oh! That's new. Happy, angry, happy, angry, happy, angry. Happy, angry, happy, angry, happy, angry. What is this? Oh, is it like, yeah, it's just the same thing. Let's see. It's just the same thing, but it's a new design. Alright. Gotta get over it. Boom! Oh, there's snowballs instead of fire. It's snowballs. Wait. Shouldn't it be like cold water instead? See if I can. No! Why'd you do that? Alright. Get through here. No! Go! What? There we go. There we go. That was weird. Why did I go so far? Wait, is that kind of new? Let's see. Oh, it turned mad. It turned mad. Oh, that's kind of funny, I guess. See? It's evil. Oh. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Oh! Ah, I forgot! Alright, gotta be careful. Yes! Wait. I saw there's a poison mushroom. I still remember it. Okay. How does it look like though? How does it look like? Oh! It's a purple candy cane! Alright, let's see how does it look like. How does a pineapple look like? Let's just see. Oh! The thing to cut is a candy cane on it. Oh, the guy to save is a tree guy. Oh, Let's see. Oh, it's an ornament. Oh, that was so fun. Right, guys, that's the end of me playing Cat Mario, but Christmas. And I'll see you next time. Bye.